Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brianna, and today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 12 Pro in the color Graphite. So here I have the brand new iPhone. This is actually not my iPhone, it's my brother's, and he is letting me unbox it for my channel. He did not want to be in the video, so he got the base model 128 gigabytes in the color Graphite, and I'm just going to be unboxing it, comparing it to my phone, which is currently the 11 Pro Max, and setting it up. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep watching. Okay, so here's the bag straight from the Apple store in Fort Worth, Texas, and my brother said when he went, they took temperatures and were very COVID safe. So I'm going to be unboxing and setting up this new iPhone. I do plan on getting the 12 Pro Max, and so in a couple of weeks I'll have my unboxing for that one, but this is going to be the 12 Pro in the color Graphite. Okay, so these boxes are black. The entire box is black, and the outside just has a plastic covering. And here is the box. So the boxes this year are super thin, and you guys will see why, because there is going to be less inside. So here is the inside. So the first thing you see is the iPhone. This is the color Graphite. I think it's kind of similar to Space Gray, but maybe a bit, maybe a bit different. So here's the iPhone. So let's take a look. Okay, so actually we'll look at the other stuff first and then get to the iPhone. So this year, Apple is not including the headphones or the charging brick. So here on the inside, all you get is your packet. And if you guys notice, it's a little tiny square. Normally the packets that come inside are the entire box length. And so in here, you just get the designed by Apple in California, and this one's a white sticker, so I thought they would be the same color as the phone, but you get the white Apple sticker and then just a quick manual. Then after that, you do get your charging cable, which is, it looks like it's Lightning to USB-C. So all you get is your phone, a sticker, and the charging cable. Again, no headphones or charging brick. Okay, so now to the actual phone. So this year, instead of having a plastic covering, it's paper. Apple did say that they're trying to be more eco-friendly, which they did put my brother's tiny phone in this large bag from the store, so I'm not sure how eco-friendly that is. But on the phone, it's just a paper covering. It has a few quick things of what the buttons do in case you're new to Apple. So it tells you where the power button is, how to mute your phone, and then the plus and minus for the volume. So this one is just a paper covering. So here is the phone. So the main thing that's different about this phone from last year's 12 is the shape of it. And so I have my 11 Pro Max right here, and I'll kind of compare and show you guys the difference. But this one is a lot more boxier and square. I saw that it should be able to stand up on its own. My brother's watching, hopefully it doesn't fall, but I saw in other people's videos the phone can stand by itself. So let's, okay, hold on, how did they do that? Wait, there we go. So this phone is more square. The phones from last year have more rounded edges, so my 11 Pro Max would definitely not be able to stand up on its own. So this phone just has a lot more boxier edges. So the iPhone 12 Pros on the sides are made of stainless steel, and noticing right now it definitely does seem like it's going to be more fingerprint prone, but of course most people are going to have cases on their phone, so that's not really going to be an issue. Something else new about these phones are these screens, and so Apple says the ceramic shield screen is supposed to be 4 times stronger than the old phone. I don't think you need a screen protector. I'm not sure if my brother is going to get one, but these screens are supposed to be a lot stronger and less prone to breaking or cracking. They do still have the 3 cameras on the back, just like my 11 Pro does. The only difference is this one has Dolby Vision, and so if you guys look closely, you'll see the differences between So this 12 Pro has a 6.1 inch screen. In comparison, my 11 Pro Max is 6.5 inches. The 12 Pro Max, which I'll be getting in a couple of weeks, is 6.7, just to compare. Something else that is new and exciting is 5G. So this phone, the 12 Pro, has a 5G band on the side. I actually just noticed that they switched the side of the SIM card. So on my 11 Pro Max, there's a slot on the right-hand side, but since this one has a 5G band, they just moved it over to the bottom left-hand side. So let me just read a couple more specs, just comparing this one to the last year's phone. So on the 12 Pro, it has the same cameras as the 11 Pro Max I have, the ultra-wide, wide, telephoto. The main difference is the 12 Pro has the Dolby Vision HDR, which I will be testing out. It has the same optical zoom range. This one has the A14 chip, so it's newer than the A13. It says it's the fastest chip in a smartphone. My 11 Pro Max does get better battery life, but that's just because I have the larger phone, and so this 12 Pro gets up to 17 hours and my 11 Pro Max has 20. Again, the ceramic shield says 4 times better drop performance. My 11 Pro Max is water resistant up to 4 meters, and this one is up to 6 meters. So if you drop your phone in the water or you're going swimming, the 12 Pro is going to be more water resistant. Also the base model. So the base model of storage for the 12 Pro starts at 128, whereas the 11 Pro started at 64. So I have 64 gigabytes of storage, and I thought that would be enough, but as time has gone on, I think 128 is going to be the way to go. So my brother got the base model that gives you 128 gigabytes of storage, which for most people should be enough. And the last thing that is new, fresh, and cool about this new 12 Pro is MagSafe. So unfortunately, my brother was not able to pick up a MagSafe charger. He was supposed to, but basically these 12 Pros have magnets in the back, and you are able to buy a bunch of different MagSafe accessories to charge it. So when I do get my 12 Pro Max in a couple of weeks, I'm hopefully going to be able to get the MagSafe charger and show you guys more about that. But this is the new 12 Pro. In the 12 Pro, my brother got the color Graphite. I typically have been getting all of my Apple products this year in space gray. So I got the 2020 MacBook Pro space gray. I also got the iPad Pro space gray. And so just for a comparison, here is space gray versus here's graphite. I think there's a slight difference. It's kind of hard to tell, but they're not the exact same shade of gray, if that makes sense. So here is space gray versus graphite. It's kind of hard to tell, but there might be a slight difference. I currently have the gold 11 Pro Max. I'm debating whether I want the graphite or the gold, but it also just depends what I can get my hands on. So I think I might go for the gold just because I kind of like the phone in gold, but all of my other Apple products, I like the space gray color. Comment down below if you guys are getting the new phone. What color are you getting? The blue color actually looks pretty nice, but I just don't think I would want a blue phone. Which color do you guys think looks the best? So that was the unboxing of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro. If you guys want to see the 12 Pro Max, stay tuned. In a couple of weeks, I'll be getting that. Also, I'll probably be getting the HomePod Mini and the MagSafe charger, so make sure that you guys subscribe down below. Once I get my 12 Pro Max, I'm definitely going to be comparing that phone to my brother's 12 Pro. Tons of videos coming. Make sure that you guys turn on that bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.